Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaron cake, updated. Preheat oven to 300 degrees F, weigh ingredients precisely, and prepare 2 piping bags for shells and filling. We'll make a raspberry buttercream and a light almond dacquoise layer, then assemble macarons into a stacked cake. I will guide you through piping, baking, and chilling stages with clear timing and simple tips to avoid cracked shells and hollow centers today. Gather precise ingredients: almond flour, superfine sugar, egg whites aged 1 day, and powdered sugar for meringue stability and texture. Use a kitchen scale for accuracy and measure liquids in milliliters when needed. I recommend aging whites at room temperature for 1 day to reduce moisture and improve structure. Add natural flavors like raspberry or vanilla and prepare gel food colors sparingly to maintain shell integrity today. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you won't miss more baking updates and tips. Quick recommendation: enjoy a cozy read while your macarons rest. Try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere with adjustable light and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time hunting for products. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Whip meringue to stiff peaks without overmixing to keep batter glossy and fluid for proper macaronage. Fold almond mixture gently until batter flows in a slow ribbon and settles in 16:9 proportion on the tray. Pipe uniform 3-5-inch rounds and tap trays to release air bubbles before resting shells for 30 minutes to form skins. Bake briefly and cool completely before filling to prevent soggy interiors today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.